interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum size will be 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team will be allotted to track and work on student progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report. Students can take unlimited practice tests. Okay, students can also take a Swiflearn academic test series, which is a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday. And yes, the practice tests will be subjective tests for your school examinations. So yes, students, those are new to the stream, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, by bell icon ko dabao, so you will never miss any update. So I'm Shashank sir, and today we will be discussing a 10th standard topic in maths, area related to circles, and this will be the first part. Yes students, those are seeing my stream, comment your names in the chat. Niche naam batao. Okay, let me know your names, attendance de do. So we will be learning areas related to circle 1. So objectives of today's class is, let us recall what is circle. Okay, let us list some examples of circles where we see in our day-to-day life, and let us define the terms such as perimeter and area, okay, related to circles or in general. So all those things we will learn in the today's class. So yes, so good morning everyone, how are you today? Okay, so we are familiar with some methods of finding perimeters and areas of simple plane figures such as triangle, rectangle, square, and even circles. We have learned in the previous class how to find perimeters and areas of simple figures. So Aditya Sharma, how are you today? कैसे हो आप? Okay, so I am teaching a chapters called areas related to circle for class 10th. So are you in class 10th? If you're class 10th, comment in the chat. बताओ मुझे कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में हो आप? Yes. So you know this. You already know what is the area, what are the perimeters of these simple figures. So let us make this class something special. Okay, study separately a whole new chapter. Yes. So see here. Okay. So this is a triangle, Aditya. So this class is for you. This is for 10th standard. So this is a triangle. A triangle is having 3 sides. Tri means 3. Quadrilateral, quad means 4. Okay, 4 sides. A geometrical having 4 sides. Pentagon is having 5 sides. Hexagon hai, heptagon hai, octagon hai, nonagon, decagon, and decagon. Okay, so what are the geometrical figures having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 sides? These are the respective names of the polygon. Now see here, now at the end, the geometrical figure having 9 sides, 10 sides and 11 sides. See, they almost look like as if we have drawn a circle, right? So और increase करेंगे 13, 14, 15, 20 sides वाला polygon बनाएंगे, 100 sides वाला polygon बनाएंगे, okay, 1000 sides वाला polygon बनाएंगे. क्या होगा? Finally it starts to look as if we have drawn a circle. So yes, we can observe that as the number of sides are increasing in a polygon, it is getting closer to become a circle, right? So yes, so देखो यहाँ पे, see here, the sides are increasing, and finally it is becoming a circle. Okay, a lot of discussion is going on among the mathematicians, okay, all over the globe on this argument. Some of the theories are in the favor and some points out very basic questions over the statement. कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं हाँ, circle is a geometrical figure having many sides. ओके कुछ लोग बोलते हैं नहीं ये कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है, सर्कल कुछ अलग ही है. सो ऑल दिस डिस्कशंस इज गोइंग ऑन. Circle is indeed a special plane figure. So yes, but how to define a circle? What is a circle? So Aditya, can you define what is a circle? Circle क्या है? क्या आप बता सकते हो? Yes. What is a circle? Okay. A circle is defined as a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that the distance from a fixed point in that plane is always constant. क्या बोल रहे हैं? In short अगर हमें समझाना है, शशांक सर को समझाना है, सर्कल क्या है भाई? सर्कल ये है, a geometrical figure है, okay, which moves such that it is equidistant from a fixed point. ये fixed point है and it is equidistant. That is a circle. ये है. Okay, so this whatever I have defined here, whatever we have defined here, this is the exact definitions. Okay, the same definitions you will learn in the higher grades 11th and 12th. Okay, when you are in the lower grade you might have learned this also definitions. Circle is a geometry where the circumference is equidistant from a single point which is known as center. So yes, these are the definitions of the circle. And where do you see circles in the day-to-day life? कहाँ देखते हो circles? Okay, if you have gone to a fair, मेला में गए हो, a giant wheel, that is a circle. स्कूल पे बाइसिकल पे जाते हो, उसके टायर्स, उसके पहिए, circles है. Okay, if you cut a lime, if you cut a lemon wedge, that is a circle. Wheel of an automobile, wheel of a car, that is a circle. Okay, your coins, lot of coins. Okay, so 1 rupee, 2 rupee coins, वो circle है. Okay, so this are the common examples of circle which you see in our day-to-day life. Okay, आपके phone के cameras, okay, पीछे के cameras, वो circle है. Yes. And can you give me some examples, students, Aditya and others? Can you give me a day-to-day life examples of circles? जो तुमने देखे हो, जो I have missed out. सर इडली खाते हैं हम, हाँ इडली सर्कल है. सर डोसा खाते हैं, डोसा is also a circle. Only if you make it perfect, it is a circle. Yes. So actually, yes. Idli we can consider as a circle. Like it is a biscuit shape. Edges में thin है, middle में is fat. Okay. So yes. So the terms related to circle है, बहुत सारे terms है. So the first one is center. What is center? Center is a point inside a circle which is equidistant from the circumference. Equidistant from all the points on the circumference. Circumference में कौन सा भी point लो, measure that distance. It is same. That is center. What is radius? Okay, radius is a line joining the center and any point on the circumference. That is radius. Okay, then what is a diameter? Diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Okay, the largest segment that can be drawn inside a circle, that is diameter. And what is the circumference? Okay, this, the outer region, the boundary of the circle, that is called as circumference. What is a secant? Okay, secant क्या है? Okay, and what is an arc? What is a sector? What is a semicircle? Okay, semicircle क्या है? Half circle is known as semicircle. What is a sector? Sector is a part of a circle. देखो यहाँ पे red shape, that is a sector. Pizza खाया है, pizza slice. Sector is nothing but your pizza slice. What is an arc? Okay, there are two arcs. When you draw a sector, you get two arcs. ये छोटा arc is known as minor arc, and the big one is called as major arc. And what is secant? Secant, if you join, it is a line segment which intersect the circles and two Okay, so that is what is a secant. So yes, center of a circle, we have learned this. Center is a point on a circle from which all the distance to the point on the circle are equal. ये हमने सीखा है अभी अभी. It means that the point from which we make a circle, that point is center of the circle. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं हम center. Radius is the line joining the center of the circle and any point on the circumference. That is radius. Okay, ये है radius. And diameter, a line segment that has endpoints on the circle and passes through the midpoint, that is the diameter. It has two endpoints on the circumference of the circle and it also passes through the center. ये है हमारा diameter. So diameter is twice the size of the radius. देखो, the half part is the radius. This is also radius. 2 times radius is diameter. Okay. So diameter is twice the radius, and also diameter is the longest chord, and all the diameters have same length, which is equal to 2 times of the radius. Yes. So what is the circumference of a circle? Okay, the circumference of the circle is the distance around the boundary of the circle. ये जो boundary है उसको measure करो, measure this distance. जो भी ये distance आएगा, that is called as circumference of the circle. वो है circumference. Okay, the one which is glowing now, जो glow हो रहा है देखो, that is circumference. Okay, arc of a circle. Arc of the circle is portion of the circumference. Okay, ये circumference का part करो, that is and the one which is smaller is minor arc and the one which is big, it is called as major arc. What is semicircle? Semi means half. Semi means partial. Semicircle means half circle. Yes. So whole circle लो, उसको split it in exact 2 parts. That is semicircle. Okay, and make sure the split should pass through the center. Then only you can get semicircle. If the line that we are cutting, if that doesn't passes through the center, हमें नहीं मिलेगा semicircle. हमें मिलेगा fraction of a circle. Okay. So yes, half of the circle from by cutting a whole circle along a line segment passing through the center of the circle. Yes. What is a quarter of a circle? Quarter of a circle क्या है? Quarter means 1/4. Semicircle का half. Okay, quarter of a circle is formed by splitting a circle into 4 parts or semicircle into 2 parts. That is quarter of a circle. Yes, the line touching and dividing a circle. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे. So we have 3 things. We have a chord, we have a segment, and we have a tangent. Okay, let me draw this and show you, guys. Okay. Now see here, consider this circle. I have drawn this circle. Okay, let me draw 3 circles. Okay, so you will come to know what is chord, secant, and a tangent. Now, if I draw a line such that 2 points of that line are on the circumference of a circle, जैसे कि ऐसे. Okay, so this is called as chord. Chord means straight नहीं होना चाहिए. It can be टेढ़ा also. Okay, it can be like this also. So this is a chord. AB is a chord. CD is also a chord. Chord basically touches 2 points, the end points of the line segment. If they are on the circumference of a circle, then it is said to be a chord. What about the secant? if a line intersects 2 points, the line intersect 2 times the circle, okay, if 2 points of the circle are there on this line, so this line is called as a secant, okay. So ये segment है, ये line segment है, ये यहाँ पे line है, okay, that is the difference. And tangent means if there is a line segment and it is touching only one point of a circle like this, okay, एक ही point touch कर रहा है, basically यही है वो segment है, पर उसको हम see it is touching 2 points. I am moving this segment, still it is touching 2 points, still it is touching 2 points. Now there will be a time such that it will touch only one point, okay. वो line segment को हम बोलते हैं, वो line को बोलते हैं tangent. Now tangent will touch only one point, only one point. देखो यहाँ पे एक ही point, it will for only one point it will touch this line segment. Secant will touch 2 times, okay. So this is the difference between chord, secant and tangent. Understood, guys? So a line segment within a circle touches 2 points on the circle, that is chord. Chord is often used to describe as a line segment joining 2 points that lie on the circle. The end points of this line segment, they lie on the circle. What is the tangent? Tangent is a line perpendicular to the radius that only touches one point to the circle. देखो, it has one more feature, that it is perpendicular to the radius. Okay. मतलब radius means वो intersection point of tangent and circle, वो point से अगर हम एक radius बनाते हैं, so radius will be 90 degrees, will be perpendicular to the tangent. Secant of a circle, okay, secant is the line that intersects the circle exactly at 2 points. देखो यहाँ पे वो line segment है, यहाँ पे line है, exactly 2 points intersect करता है. So what is a segment? Okay, a segment is a region bounded by the chord of the circle and the intercepted arc of the circle. Okay, now see here, AB is a segment. Let us take AB as a segment. Now the region between point A and point B and the arc of the segment, this is the arc. देखो ये arc है, ऐसा curved line, that is the arc. So that region is called as a segment. देखो ये region है, ये जो region है, we call this as segment. If the arc length is small, we call it as minor segment. अगर ऊपर का consider किए हम, that is known as major segment. So these are what are segment. This is what is a segment. So understood, the region bounded between the chord and the arc of the circle, that is a segment. So yes, we discussed about the major segment and the minor segment. Minor means छोटा, major means बड़ा. Yes, what is a sector? Okay, sector बोले तो मुझे पिज्जा का याद आता है. Yes, have you guys eaten pizza recently? Sir, मैंने खाया है पिज्जा. If you have eaten pizza recently, comment in the chat. भाई बताओ पिज्जा खाए हो कि नहीं. And that slice, जो slice रहता कैसे रहता है? From the center they will cut, right? So yes, so this region, can you see this? This is called as sector. छोटा है तो minor sector, बड़ा है तो major sector. Sector is said to be a part of a circle made from the arc of the circle along with the two radii. Okay, so if it is made up of two radii, that is a sector. Now we discussed about the major sector, discussed about the minor sector. Okay, the small area is known as the minor sector, whereas the greater area is known as major sector. The circle divides the plane into 3 parts. Okay, the point inside the circle, the point outside the circle, and the point lying on the circle. देखो यहाँ पे, the circle divides the plane in 3 parts. Okay, in 3 different. Interior part, exterior part and on the circle. Three parts. The point inside the circle are called also called as interior of the circle. जो भी points अगर inside the circle है, so we call interior of the circle. And जो भी points outside the circle है, outside the circle within the plane, we call it as exterior. Okay, so what are exterior points? If the points are outside the circle, they are called as exterior points. What are interior points? If the points are inside the circle, जैसे कि ये वाले, ये interior points है, ये अंदर है, so these are interior points. So on the circle, what points are said to be on the circle? The points lying on the circle are known as points on the circle. ये जो भी circumference है उसके ऊपर अगर points है, जैसे कि point यहाँ पे है, जैसे कि point यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, okay, on the circumference, if they are on the circumference, they are said to be point on the circle. Yes, so let us revise this. Okay, देखो ये क्या है, see this video guys, this video is for you. Okay, see this video.
Circle theorems are like little puzzles. You use your new knowledge to solve interesting geometrical problems using logical thinking as you go. Before we can look at the theorems, there is some key terminology that we need to master first. How many parts of the circle can you label? Pause the video and have a think. How did you get on? I find it quite tricky to remember the difference between a sector and a segment. But just think of it as a sector or slice of
Okay,
pizza.
can you hear the voice, guys? If you can hear the voice, say yes. If you can't hear, sir, I can't hear the voice, please comment like this.
Which definitions match up with which parts of the circle? Pause the video and get matching. How did you get on? So that's the key terminology that we need to know for circle theorems. The terminology is really important because we have to use those key words when describing the theorems.
So yes, we have learned, okay, various parameters in the circle. So yes, let us define parameter. Define parameter. क्या है perimeter? What is perimeter? Okay, guys, just give me a second. So I am getting a message so that my voice is not clear. I don't know what has happened. Just give me a second. Yes. So we are back. I hope so you can hear me now. Can you hear me, guys? Is my voice clear, sir? Is my voice clear? Good morning, महावीर good morning. बताओ मेरा voice clear है कि नहीं अभी? If it is clear, let me know. Okay. So yes, so let us move on with the chapter. Okay, so define perimeter. What is perimeter, guys? क्या है perimeter? Okay, and what is area? So let us define the perimeter of a circle. So the distance covered by, okay, Nidhi, so are you hearing a lot of background noise from me? Okay, sorry for that. So we will get it fixed soon. Okay, so okay, so sir ने बोल दिया है sound is fine. तो चलो, thank you for telling this. Yes, sir. So let us recall that the distance covered by traveling once around a circle, it is a perimeter, and usually that is a circumference. So what is perimeter of a circle? So consider a circle. Okay, you start walking towards or start, okay, measuring the distance from this boundary, okay, and reach to the same point. Okay, ऐसा जाते 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 reach to the same point on the circle. So you have covered one circumference, that is called as perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but circumference of a circle. Okay, so circumference is given by pi d. What is it given by? The value of circumference is pi d. Circumference is equal to pi times d. That is also equal to pi times 2r. Usually we write 2 pi r. That is perimeter of a circle. So yes, Nidhi, what you had said, 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square. That square वो नहीं है. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r or pi d. You were talking about the area. Area is pi r square, not 2 pi r square. It is pi r square. So yes, so this is the circumference of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. ये circumference है. And area कितना है भाई? Area is pi r square. This is the area. So area of the circle is, okay, we also have studied this in the previous class, on the previous standards. The area of the circle is given by pi r square. Yes, Tanuja, good morning. कैसे हो? So yes. So what have we learned so far? What have we learned so far? Okay, so we have recalled what is a circle. We have studied list of some examples of circle. We have defined perimeter and area. So Ayush hai, Lieutenant Ayush. Okay, so Ayush is there with us. I think so. This might be your father's ID. So yes, so all those things we have learned, and to revise what we have learned what is a circle. Circle, guys, can you define in the chat what is circle? Circle is a locus of a point which moves such that it is equidistant from a single point. Okay, circle is a geometrical figure whose circumference is equidistant from a common point known as center. ये है सर्कल. फिर हमने पढ़ाई किया what is chord, what is a secant, and what is a tangent. Tangent touches a circle at how many points? It touches the circle at 1 point. ये हमने पढ़ाई किया है. Secant touches at 2 points. Chord, what is a chord? Chord के end points exactly will be on the circle. ये सब हमने आज स्टडी किया है. And there is one, this area of a triangle via area of a circle via triangle. क्या है ये? Let us see this. Yes. Okay. Okay. So yes, so ये ऐसा एक है video है. The video is not playing. Like we can split circles into many triangles, many triangles, many triangles, and half times 2 pi r will give you pi r square. ऐसा करके ये है. So उतना खास कुछ नहीं है. So yes, so we have completed this chapter. And students, those who are new, okay, Ayush, Lieutenant Ayush, okay, or the child of Lieutenant Ayush, whoever you may be, okay, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you may ask me, guys, or we will stop here. Okay, we will meet tomorrow with the continuation of this part. Okay, we will solve problems, some problems on this chapter, and we will discuss some doubts if you have. So okay, we will stop here.